I'm building a floating shelf, but I've got these huge gaps in the brickwork that are going to just look awful if I don't do something about it. Have you ever wondered how a professional deals with gaps like this? Well, today I'm going to show you, and I'm going to do it using the Trend EasyScribe and a homemade little jig that might surprise you in how well it works. The top for the shelf going in, it is the correct width, and it'll slide in lovely once we've scribed that left-hand side. First, I need a really accurate measurement of just how wide this gap in the brickwork is, and as you can see, 1.5 centimeters. Trend EasyScribe. We are setting this bad boy to, funnily enough, 1.5 centimeters. And then, you guessed it, we do some actual scribing. So what do you think? Is it better than that huge gap that would have been visible, or should I have just left it? Onto the front panel then, already cut to size, but you can see the gap we've got to deal with. We can't use the Trend EasyScribe for this because it's got that wide flat bottom on it, which just means it doesn't follow the shape of the wall very well. So for this one, we're going to make our own little scribe. All you need is a bit of scrap wood, doesn't have to be MDF, and then you cut it into a little point shape like this. Measure the size of the gap that needs scribing, transfer that measurement onto the scribe, and then drill a little hole in it, pencil sized. And then, yes, put your pencil in the damn hole. You now have your very own homemade little scribe, perfect for this little job we're about to do. And then, you guessed it, just get it scribed. I would love to hear what you think about this scribing in the comments if you've got an opinion. I have done a couple of other videos about these same shelves. One is a much longer, much more in-depth, proper tutorial on how to build a floating shelf, and that's on the top left right now. On the top right is a much faster, punchier version of the same build. No talking in it, you just get to watch it put together at 100 miles an hour. That little circle in the middle is a cheeky little subscribe button. Feel free to click on it.